I'm Kim Brown with IMTS TV, and I'm here in the Tsugami Rim Sales booth with Dan Walker and Derek Briggs.
Hello.
Hello.
And we're here to talk about some new innovative products that they have here in the booth. First of all, we're going to talk about the Tsugami LaserSwiss. Dan, can you tell me a little bit about this product?
Absolutely. We're very excited to unveil the new Tsugami B0125 LaserSwiss. It's a much smaller machine. It's very compact, very economical, and we're showing it today, so we'll hope everybody will stop by.
And what is new about this product?
The fact that it's a smaller, more compact machine, and it's much more economical. We've done a lot of market research in the industry, and what we found is there's a need for a machine that'll do primarily laser cutting with a small amount of machining as well. So this is a machine that a lot of medical companies will be able to use for their products, and it'll do much more than just a straight laser cutter that's on the market today. So we'll be able to do some chamfering, some knurling, some threading and things like that that aren't possible on a typical laser machine.
And if I understand, you first had this machine out in 2012?
We first unveiled the LaserSwiss product line in 2012, and it's been going very successfully since then. And as we've grown the business, we found that there are many more applications for this machine, and we're responding to that market need.
Great. And Derek, you are going to talk to us about the Oscillation Cutting SS38M.
So the oscillation cutting is actually a new technology. It's actually very innovative. Everybody in the machining world knows the issues with chip wrap, with the hard to cut materials, a lot of birds nesting and things like that, and the inability to break chips. This oscillation cutting technology actually creates a low frequency vibration with the Z-axis or the X-axis to actually break up chips on these hard to cut materials. It eliminates some of the need for high pressure coolant, and also you can adjust this in the machine. You can adjust all the parameters depending on the material you're cutting or the depths of cut and things like that. So it's very user friendly, and all it is a software upgrade. There's no mechanical changes, which makes it very easy to install in the field.
And is the SS38M new to IMTS 2018?
Yes, the SS38M is actually our newest model from Tsugami. This machine is a 38 millimeter Swiss sliding headstock chucker convertible. It has a full B-axis tool spindle with 20,000 RPM, 15 horsepower tool spindle. It's the first of its kind in the Swiss world. It has a 40 tool magazine, Capto C4 connection. This machine can do full 5-axis simultaneous machining and has glass scales on 4 of the axes for very good repeatability and accuracy. So this machine will be exclusive to Tsugami and in the front of the booth, so please stop by.
Are there any specific industries that this machine serves?
This machine can do anything from your simplest parts all the way into automotive, aerospace, a lot of medical industry. We see a lot of need for this machine in the medical industry. It's a little bit bigger than your standard 5-axis machining centers, and also it provides a very good floor space. It's a very compact machine for the size.
Great. And so we have one more that we're going to talk about today, and that is the SmartFlex Guide Bushing. Please tell me more about that, Derek.
So the SmartFlex Guide Bushing is basically anybody in the Swiss world understands that a lot of struggles with guide bushing and cheaper materials, the non-ground materials that, if you get ground material, it costs more money and it's a little more expensive. This guide bushing allows you to purchase extruded materials and your non-ground materials and run them through the machine no problem at all. It also increases roundness as you turn the material. If your bar stock is running out 3/1000ths, maybe 4/1000ths, as it goes through the guide bushing in the cut, it'll be about 3/10 to 4/10. It can improve the roundness by that much. It also has a feature, a clamping feature on it that allows you to clamp the guide bushing and do regrips for very long parts without the use of the subspindle, which increases productivity because you don't need to tie up your subspindle to do any kind of regrips. This guide bushing is pneumatically activated, and it comes with the machine. You can either buy it with or without.
Great. Thank you so much, Derek and Dan. And you guys can come to booth 339410, Tsugami Rim Sales, or you can go to rimsales.com. I'm Kim Brown with IMTS TV. Thank you so much for watching.